Yeah, this cold weather is kind of like a slap in the face on a Saturday morning. Temperatures in the 30s right now in most places. 8:24 is the time. National Dental Hygiene Month is wrapping up, and dental professionals across the country are trying to ease the fears of people who may be afraid to sit down in their chairs. Joining us to talk about some new technology is Scott Leune. Thank you very much for being in here this morning.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
No problem. So, first of all, how many people tell you that they're actually scared when they see it, or can you just see it in their eyes?
Yeah, you know, there was a study out and it showed that 40 million Americans don't go to the dentist, primarily because they're scared. And I'll tell you, in my experience, most of that fear comes from pain from the shot.
All right, so that's typically what you would use to administer an injection?
Yeah, so we would give patients shots to numb them up so we can do everything we need to do and it won't hurt patients. But the problem is that we're scared of this thing.
That does look scary.
Yeah, so I won't come at you with this thing. But today, technology's kind of changed everything. The pain we used to feel with a shot, we can now get rid of in dentistry. There's this new device here. It's actually called the DentalVibe, and if we haven't seen this thing in our dental office, you need to be talking to your dentist about it.
Right, I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, it kind of looks like an electric toothbrush. And when I turn it on, it provides a soothing vibration. You can see it right here. You can feel that here. It's pretty comfortable. And it's the vibration that actually goes in and completely blocks the pathway for our brain to detect pain.
Really?
In other words, I can use this. I can retract the cheek and numb up the gums, and the vibrations from this will cause the brain to not feel any pain whatsoever.
Wow. So that kind of holds things back, and then do you still use this tool to administer the injection?
We use the shot, but you know what? For example, yesterday I had a little girl. She kind of reminded me of my daughter. We gave her shots because she needed work done, and she didn't even know she got a shot. She didn't feel anything because the DentalVibe blocks the pain.
So no reason to be scared anymore.
No, she's going to grow up not fearing the dentist. It's an amazing thing.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, so we have Halloween coming up, and everyone likes to eat a whole lot of candy, particularly the kids. Are there some candies that I guess that are worse than others that you should really try to avoid?
The stickier the candy, I guess the worse it is. But one time a year, candy binge for kids, I don't really separate it out. There's just a couple things we got to know. Number one, our children need to drink a lot of water when they eat the candy. Number two, they need to brush their teeth. But the most important thing, don't let your kids do what my little boy Ethan and Sophia do. They sneak the candy in the room under the covers, eat it at night, and let that candy sit on their teeth all night long. Oh, don't let that happen. But yeah, have fun with Halloween. Just make sure we're brushing and drinking plenty of water.
All right, Dr. Scott Leune with DFW Family Dentistry. Thank you so much for coming in this morning. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me.
And alleviating the fears of millions.
Yes, exactly.
Thanks.
Yeah.